Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we are talking about a small motorcycle that brings a big smile to your face. The 2026 CFMoto Papio SS. This bike is proof that you don't need a big engine or a heavy machine to enjoy riding. The Papio SS is designed for riders who want fun, style, and practicality all in one compact package, especially for city riding and daily use. The first thing you notice about the 2026 CFMoto Papio SS is its sporty and aggressive design. Even though it is a small bike, it looks like a mini sport motorcycle. The sharp front fairing, modern LED headlight, and sleek body panels give it a bold personality. The riding position feels sporty but not uncomfortable, making it perfect for short rides as well as longer city commutes. It is a bike that easily stands out in traffic and grabs attention wherever it goes. When it comes to performance, the Papio SS delivers smooth and easy power. The engine is tuned for everyday riding, which means it feels responsive in traffic and relaxed at normal speeds. This makes the bike ideal for beginners who are still building confidence, while experienced riders will enjoy its playful nature. The lightweight body helps a lot, making the bike very easy to control, especially in tight streets, U-turns, and crowded areas. Handling is one of the strongest points of the 2026 Papio SS. The compact frame and short wheelbase make it extremely agile. You can easily weave through traffic and take corners with confidence. The suspension setup is comfortable enough to handle bumps and rough city roads, while still keeping the ride stable. Braking performance is also reliable, giving the rider a sense of safety and control during daily rides. In terms of features, CFMoto has given the Papio SS a modern touch. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential information clearly, including speed, RPM, and other ride details. LED lighting not only improves the bike's appearance, but also enhances visibility at night. The overall build quality feels solid, showing that CFMoto is serious about delivering value and reliability. Fuel efficiency is another big advantage of this motorcycle. Thanks to its small engine and lightweight design, the Papio SS offers excellent mileage, making it a budget-friendly option for students and daily commuters. Maintenance costs are also expected to be low, which is a huge plus for riders who want a fun bike without high running expenses. In conclusion, the 2026 CFMoto Papio SS is a stylish, fun, and practical motorcycle designed for urban riders. It may be small in size, but it delivers big enjoyment. If you are looking for a bike that is easy to ride, economical, and full of character, this one is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.